Ito nga pala, nag-class lang ako ngayon. Kasi lose streak ako ngayon. Kaya, pinalitan ko ng build and emblem ko ngayon. Bago na yan ngayon. Pakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Ano, yeah.
Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Emblems.
All troops deployed!
Never look back.
Gusto pang marksman. Marksman yung isa. Tandaan niyo yan guys, malakas na.
On alert.
First blood!
Ah, kaya Storm. Pansin yan.
Great play!
Tapos na lang kumikay, no?
Where to?
Tapos na lang kumikis eh. Ako kumuha lahat ng atake doon sa kukuha ng ano.
Ally has been slain.
Serves
King
the
Jack.
purpose.
Have slain an enemy.
Kaya ako yung pumapasok na
Hero resurrected!
tapos ito yung ng kill.
No warmth here.
Late kasi yan.
You have slain an enemy!
It's never personal.
Bibili na ako dito. Sana.
Your team destroyed a turret!
What for?
Aray ko!
Reach level 4.
Ano ba? Hindi ko makakuli yan. Hindi ko pa yung hindi ko pa yung naabot.
I find
Tuloy, ano ba naman?
Danger.
Sana ako, di
Addictive.
ka dito matulong. Hindi ka dito matulong eh. Tamad tumulong yan. Ayoko na dyan sa dito.
Don't run.
Killing spree! Slain the turtle! Hero resurrected!
Isa ka.
Okay!
Sige, punta. Bigyan ka na.
No questions asked.
An enemy has been slain! You have slain an enemy! An ally has been slain! An enemy has been slain!
It is black, you see.
You have slain an enemy!
Hindi ka makakatakas eh. Hindi ako nagpapatakas. Hindi ako nagpapatakas. Kadar ako nagpatakas once in my life ago. English yan.
Ally has been slain!
Kasi maranakas.
I need it.
Solo kill!
Aral mo. Sige. Pakak, kinkwek. Tusok-tusok.
What for?
Pagkwek. Hello!
Pitch black.
Oh, hindi ba magaling?
Perfect
Sino?
shot!
Oh, Ines!
It didn't hurt.
Bitin sana.
Memory completes me.
Layo ng kalaban.
Your team destroyed a turret! An ally has been slain! Shut down!
The snow.
Salamat
I
sa'yo.
recall.
mag-turtle.
Are we home?
An enemy has been slain.
Ate ko.
Ally has been slain.
Kuya, ikaw pa isa. Ikaw. Kasya.
Close.
You have slain an enemy.
No!
Hero resurrected!
Malakas yun. Ay, matagal na.
Memo.
Tayo ganyan.
Our turret has been destroyed.
No. I recall.
Talaga. Umiwan tayo dito. Paano, Jay? Mamalag ako. Kala mo sa akin na wala. 2v1, leader kasama mo. Mag-isa ako.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
It is my
Ay, nako po! Mabuting skill! Po! Sana mamatay ka.
Ally has been slain.
I find clarity.
Solo
Under
kill!
attack. Well played.
Oh, lahat.
Slain.
Anis kayo kay Sherby.
Closing in.
Umatake. Panis. Boom, boom, panis, panis.
Shut down. An ally has slain the turtle. Okay. An enemy.
Hero resurrected!
Ow! Hey! Down!
An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill. Your team
lang?
destroyed a turret.
Look with Bob.
Ally has been killing spree. Shut down.
Pasok kasi sila. Wala akong pake.
It didn't hurt.
Wala akong pake.
No questions asked.
Attendance natin. Pasok kayo ng pasok. Pa kayo. Ah, di kayo. Bulag din. Jay, tara tayo. 1v1 dito ah. Ito, andyan ka lang ah.
An enemy has been slain.
Wala akong skill. Aray mo!
Slain.
Sakit! Okay na yan kay Hilda. Pero,
Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain.
go! Si Sherby, ang dami niyang patay! Ay, ay, ay. O yan, napapasukan ni Sherby niyan.
I find
Malakas yan.
clarity.
O yun, oh! Pakak! Hindi napatay ni Sherby. Ano yan?
Colors.
Kick pa rin. Sherby, hindi siya buhay. Ayun na, papatay mo yan.
An ally has been slain.
Takpa nga. Makalakot.
Killing spree. Shut down.
succeeding.
Stun! Stun!
Solo kill.
Stun!
Hero resurrected. Kill.
Stun po nga, Amala. Stun!
It didn't hurt.
Stun! Kalaban! Yun, mas malala na score ko sa kalaban. Ang ano ko niya kasi, placement lang ako.
It is black. You see.
Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. The enemy has slain Lord. You have slain an enemy.
Patay din yan. Walang takas yan. Uy, patayin nyo ni Layla. Wanit na lang eh. Di nyo makita. Bulag kayo. Layla pala nakapatay sa akin. Ako po. Ang puro basic attack nakapatay sa akin. Tapos onting mga dalawang skill. Tapos dalawang build.
Slain.
Puro basic attack na.
I
Oy,
find
ako.
clarity, danger, addictive.
Uy, ako. Ako.
An enemy has been slain.
Nakamalakas sa buong
Request
mundo.
backup.
Enemy Lord.
Dapat nga, wala na ako dito sa level na to. Gusto ko lang.
Ally has
That was amazing.
been destroyed.
Para lang.
You have slain an enemy.
Where to?
Oh! Ah! Abutan pa ako. Baka lakang ito. Magpakan yun, mag-iikot.
An enemy has been slain.
Bully mo.
It didn't hurt.
Wala, oh!
Ally has been slain.
Bully na dali sa class.
Hero resurrected.
Ito, pakisito dyan. History ako.
An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
The snow.
Ayun! Kasi ang aggressive ng kamay ko. Gusto na lagi sumugod. Porket madami lang akong patay. Gusto na lagi sumugod ng kamay ko. Ay, hindi yan kasalanan ko. Hindi yan kasalanan ko. Patay pa. Ayun, parang gusto ko patayin sila.
I find
Shut
clarity.
down. Enemy rampage. An enemy has been slain.
Kuya. Oo, kuya. Akin yan niya.
You have slain an enemy.
It is my mercy. Don't run.
Nasunod tayo. Push tayo.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Yun! One hit!
Black.
Makakukuha ng patay.
An enemy has been slain.
Ako nagkuha na ng damage. Ako nagpapatay.
Enemy has been
Nagpapatay ako, tas ikaw lang makakakuha nun. Bakit di pwede yun? hayop. Sarap ulam, oh. Ano yun? Nagpakamatay ako para lang doon.
Ally has been
Makuha yung
slain.
kill.
Solo kill.
It didn't hurt.
Kayo.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ayun nyo na.
Ally has been slain.
Yehey!
Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
That smile is all I have.
You have been
No!
slain.
Hindi ko na-execute! Sige, isa pa. Aalis na ako. Isa pa. Aalis na ako.
Understood. Backup.
Pag namatay na ito, bababay na ako. Execute na lang ito. Okay?
Understood. Your team destroyed a turret. Has been slain.
Sabi mo, eh, nag-AFK talaga. Kasi, kaya,
Herb AoE. Great play. Hero resurrected.
the match.
It is black, you see.
Oh!
Pitch black.
Bye guys! Kakain na lang ako. Bye! Subscribe.